العالمي اللي شرف العرب وشرفنا كلنا، اللي كلنا كنا دايما نتفرج عليه ونستنى مبارياته، العالمي نسيم حميد. How are you, sir? It's an honor to meet you.
بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. It's good to be here. Nice to speak to you.
You are here because of Adam.
I'm here.
Tell people about Adam.
I'm here because of Adam. ولدي آدم ما شاء الله عليه. إن شاء الله ادعوا له إن شاء الله بطل العالم. I just think that it's going to be one night tonight for him to display his skills, showcase his skills, and it should be good.
Who's better? Naseem Jr. Adam Jr.
شوف احنا دائما ندعي لاولادنا انهم يكونوا احسن مننا والله يتقبل ان شاء الله. اتمنى ان ولدي احسن مني. I know we said we'll speak in English and I prefer to do that.
Okay, I'm happy that it's getting back to you now.
Yeah. But no, I'm very happy
What's your advice for him?
My advice for him is just to box clean, to show that movement, to move his head, and to try and be like his daddy.
What's your expectations for the big night on Saturday?
My expectations is it's going to be a good fight while it lasts. I feel like it possibly may be a 3-round fight in regards of Joshua. I think that AJ may be too experienced, too strong, and he's got a great new trainer who's doing really well. So I feel it drops in AJ's side, but you never know with somebody like Daniel Dubois. I always said he's dangerous and it might be his turn, so I'm not 100% sure, but saying that, I'd love to see Daniel Dubois, you know, upset everybody and flip the script and show that he can be, you know, still the IBF champion of the world.
Naseem Hamid, do you miss the ring?
I miss the ring all the time. ولكن الحمد لله بعد 21 سنة في الملاكمة كفاية. الحمد لله is enough. So أنا أحمد الله وأشكره for the whole of my career وكل المباراة كل الفوز والتوفيق من الله. واحنا دائما ساجدين راكعين لربنا.
أكثر من 30 مباراة بلا هزيمة. Undefeated for 30 games.
Yeah, 35, 36. I don't know ولكن شوف I know one thing. الحمد لله أنا ما شفت أي واحد مثلي من قبل ولا شفت أي واحد من بعد. So that leaves me alone. You know, موهبة.
The one and only.
The one and only. And until now, اللهم لك الحمد ولك الشكر. Nobody has come. So we're bringing my boys now. خلينا الأولاد يبدعوا إن شاء الله to bring that flavor.
What are you doing right now in your life?
Alhamdulillah, we're doing a little bit of business. But I'm going to be honest with you. أنا يعجبني الدين الحمد لله. It's solid وفي القلب. الحمد لله I'm reading a lot of Quran lately. ما في أحسن وأجمل من القرآن الكريم. سبحان الله كلام الله.
I see that you are still fit.
No. الأيام قد راحين ولكن إن شاء الله you never know because of this amazing time in boxing. First I want to thank, you know, I'd love to thank the Crown Prince first. of Saudi Arabia, Mohammed bin Salman, mashallah, to let His Excellency Turkey Sheikh give us this opportunity in boxing. Basically, mashallah ala Turkey Sheikh, I give him all the credit in the world because he's took over boxing. He's took over. Everybody knows that the kingdom of Saudi Arabia is being taken over boxing and all sports, not just boxing. And alhamdulillah, an Arab country that's right next door to Yemen. You know, دائما احنا نذكر اليمن وندعي لليمن ونحب اليمن من القلب. هذا you know أنا من أصل عربي ولكن يمني، ولازم يسألوا التاريخ عني إن شاء الله.
اليمن السعيد إن شاء الله.
اليمن السعيد دائما احنا نقول ادعوا لليمن، وإن شاء الله اليمن في القلب، ونشجع اليمن ونسلم عليهم كلهم والشعب اليمن حياهم الله.
My last question, what do you want to say to your fans in the Arab world? Go ahead.
To all the fans in the Arab world, إلى الجمهور, you know, يا أيها العرب, what I used to say, الله يحفظكم، ادعوا لولدي وادعوا لنا بالتوفيق، وإن شاء الله بطل العالم soon my son وأولادي الثلاث ما شاء الله عليهم. وأهم شيء الدعاء، يدعوا لنا ويدعوا لفلسطين، ادعوا لفلسطين وادعوا لليمن وندعوا لكل دولة عربية للاستقرار. و you know, اللهم لك الحمد، اللهم لك الحمد.
Can I have a hug, please?
Very much so.
I love you. I love you, man. I'm a big fan. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
أي
you.
واحد يحبني أنا أحبه. أحبك من القلب. الله معك. الله يحفظكم.
مفاجأة من العيار الثقيل.